Good day, everybody. Today, I'll show you how to reset the oil life indicator on the 2001 to 2025 Acura MDX. I'll walk you through each of these car model years, so stick around, and I hope Thea will solve your problem. Alright, in this section, we'll reset the maintenance required light on the first generation Acura MDX. It's pretty simple on this one, so let's try to do it. Step 1. Make sure your car is off, and then hold the select and reset buttons on the cluster at the same time. Step 2. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine while continuing to hold both buttons. Step 3. Wait till you see the maintenance required light go off and you're done. Next, I will walk you through resetting the oil life or maintenance light on the second generation Acura MDX. So the first step you need to do is Step 1. Take your key and turn it to position 2. Step 2. Use the up or down button on the steering wheel to scroll the menu until you find the blank display. Step 3. Then you're going to push the reset button a couple of times until you see service or oil life screen. Step 4. Push and hold the reset button until the oil life reset mode comes up. Step 5. Highlight reset by pressing the up or down button. Then press the reset button to perform the oil life reset and you're done. If you have a third generation Acura MDX, you can reset the maintenance light using the steering button. So, let's get to it. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Use the right selector wheel and scroll down until you come to Vehicle Settings, and then push the wheel to enter the menu. Step 3. Scroll down all the way to get to Maintenance Info and click that to enter the menu. Step 4. Scroll the wheel to Highlight Reset and press the wheel to confirm and you're done. Now I will explain how to reset the oil life or maintenance minder on the latest generation of Acura MDX. The method is only slightly different from the previous model. So here's how to do it. Step 1. Get in the car and turn it on. Step 2. Use the right selector wheel to scroll over until you get to the maintenance screen. Step 3. Next, you're going to hold down the wheel for 10 seconds to enter the reset mode. Step 4. In this mode, you can select the maintenance item you want to reset, or you can also select all due items and then press the wheel to confirm, and you're ready to go. So that's basically how you do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Please subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.